Hello and welcome to week 5. We are highlighting copyright, libel, and slander this week. So my lecture is going to point you towards the Stephen Glass interview that's posted here and the video on defamation, slander, and libel. These are some important concepts within the field of journalism and within public relations. When you take the ethics course, you learn about this in more detail, but we do touch on it in Writing for Mass Media. So you're also looking at the chapter that covers narrative techniques, including word choice, labeling, and bias. And you have a discussion board, a writing assignment, and we're beginning to look at your journalism impact report, in which you will be picking a person that has impacted the field of journalism or media. It can be a writer, a reporter, a publisher, a blogger, or a YouTube publisher, or even a podcast publisher. So I will actually post probably tomorrow some examples. One would be, I have seen people do Barbara Walters, Oprah Winfrey, but now there are so many new podcasts available on iTunes that if there's someone that you follow that you particularly like, I know I follow Annie F. Downs, who is a great Christian writer, and others. So I will be posting some examples, but if you have an idea, shoot me an email and I will consider it. Have a great week. Remember, I'm available to pray for you should you have any prayer requests, and I'm here to also clarify any questions you may have about assignments. So do reach out. Thank you and have a great week.